Now let's take this circuit and move it into something a little bit more akin to reality. What we have here is, instead of a simple voltage supply, we are connected to the 120 volt circuit of a household power panel. The load is connected through a 14-2 copper Romex cable, the resistance of which, as you can see from this table, is 2.525 ohms per 1,000 feet, going to the load and then returning to the panel, which means whatever length of Romex that we use, the resistance is going to have to be doubled, because we're going to have to measure it for both going and coming. That is 0.002525 ohms per foot going and 0.002525 ohms per foot returning, for a total of 0.00505 ohms per foot, which needs to be added to the circuit when calculating the current to the load L. Let's let the load impedance or resistance be 10 ohms, keeping in mind the voltage divider rule, which tells us that the voltage drop across any resistance in the circuit is equal to the resistance of that individual component over the total resistance of the circuit times the supply voltage. Let's assume that the length of Romex cable is 10 feet. This means the voltage drop across the load is going to be 10 divided by the quantity, 10 times 0.00505 plus 10, and is going to be multiplied by the supply voltage 120, resulting in a voltage drop across the load of 119.397 volts. This demonstrates that the load connected to through a regular Romex wire will not have exactly 120 volts across it, but in fact will have a reduced voltage, albeit only a fraction lower than 120 volts. But as you can see from the formula, the voltage drop across the load is dependent on the length of the Romex wire. Now let's change the length of the Romex wire to 500 feet. Using the voltage divider rule and plugging in our new values, we end up with the voltage drop across the load being much more reduced. Now it is 95.8 volts. This dramatically affects the functionality of the load, especially if it's a load that is a motor. The most obvious solution to this would be to increase the gauge of the wire, thereby reducing the resistance of the cable. Ready to go beyond just solving problems? If you've been following my daily post and enjoying the sample problems, you're going to love this. All of these problem sets and more are now available, or soon will be, on my official course site, my stand store for electrical training. Just go to the web address that you see at the bottom of this slide, https://stand.store/GVB. The end of each year brings with it tremendous sales, and this year is no different. I would like to make you aware of several sales, some of which are available immediately. 𝐃𝐈𝐒𝐂 is entering into the final stages of their holiday sales, creating a powerful incentive for last-minute conversions and year-end deal seekers. For those of you in the USA, you can get up to 68% off selected items. You can get a River 2 Max refurbished for free and 2 160-watt solar panels, saving up to 30% with a federal sales tax. Also, you can obtain an extra 5% off by using this coupon code. 𝐃𝐈𝐒𝐒𝐋𝐀𝐈𝐌𝐄𝐑. All of the aforementioned can be obtained simply by going to this web address, https://us.ecoflow.com/pages/holiday sale. And not to be forgotten, for those of you in Canada, you can get up to 75% off selected items. If you spend $2,000, you can get a 1,100 watt solar panel for free, or if you spend $3,500, you can get a 220 watt solar panel for free. Also, you can obtain an extra 5% off by using the same coupon code 25EFXMAFF. All of the aforementioned can be obtained simply by going to this web address, https://ca.ecoflow.com/pages/holiday sale. In order to help you with your holiday orders, we're excited to announce a new promotion for the EcoFlow Power Bank series, launching in both the United States and in Canada. This campaign features an extra 20% off on selected items, making it a great opportunity to highlight EcoFlow's portable charging solutions during this final sales window of the year. In the United States, for EcoFlow's Power Bank series, you can get an extra 20% off on selected items from December 23rd to December 31st. Simply connect to this link, https://us.ecoflow.com/collections/powerbank. And in Canada, for EcoFlow's Power Bank series, you can also get a 20% off on selected items from December 23rd to December 31st simply by connecting to this link, https://ca.ecoflow.com/collections/powerbank.